So here we have a question. A plus B is equal to 3 and AB is equal to minus 4. We need to find the value of A cube plus B cube. You know what? This question can be solved by two methods. Like the general method is, the typical strong subjective method is, we have A plus B is equal to 3. You will do cubic both sides. Cube both sides. When we will cubing both sides, we get A plus B cube is equal to 3 cube. And we got A cube plus B cube plus 3AB. This is the formula of A cube plus B cube. And then A cube plus B cube plus what is the value of AB? It's minus 4. And then what is the value of A plus B? Is 3 is equal to 27. We got A cube plus B cube minus, this is 4 3 is 12, 3 is 36 is equal to 27, and A cube plus B cube is equal to 27 plus 36, that is 63. But this question can be done by a short trick as well. So what is the short trick? Now it is given AB is equal to minus 4. Okay, if AB is equal to minus 4, then we know A can either be, what can be the value of, and sum of these two numbers is 3. Okay, if we need to have minus 4, either it should be A 2, B minus 2, A minus 2, B 2. Okay, and then because we need to have AB equal to minus 4, A can be 4, B can be minus 1, A can be minus 1, B can be 4. We cannot have any other number than this. But on the same time, we have A plus B equal to 3. So these two options are not valid. This will give A plus B equal to 0. Only these two options are valid. So for these two options, if we calculate A cube plus B cube, we will always get 63. So this is the short trick for doing. Instead of doing the long method, you can do like that as well. So I hope you got it. For more videos of these types, please follow my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.